Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant, and I'm going to do that by talking about more so general levels, and then walking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. Now, it's been a very bearish, basically past 24 hours since the last time I did the video, and if you did watch the video from Tuesday, I talked about both these levels of support and how to monitor, how the price would react with them. And over the past few hours, it's not like it was a modest break. I mean, there was a big break to the downside. So a lot of updates need to be done here. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these lines. They've served their purpose for now, and I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going forward, 9,200, the key near-term area of resistance. And that's also going to be the first question that you want to ask yourself. So let's just use that 15-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 15 hours from after I upload it. Question number one, nothing fancy, just simply, where is the price at relative to 9,200? If you're answering the question that the price is still down below 9,200, well, that just implies that there really hasn't been any sort of, big worthwhile bullish bounces. Now, on the flip side, if you are answering the question that the price is above 9,200, think about what that would be implying. That would imply that the price is leveled off and then be able to make a very nice move to the upside. Now, to be fair, maybe you're saying, well, Clay, the price is at, 90.80. So the price is somewhere up around here. Don't get me wrong. That's definitely a good situation. That would still be higher than where the price is right now. But again, from more so an overarching standpoint, 9,200 is going to be that key level where there, any sort of bullish movement should be looked at very skeptically, unless the price can break, above there. Because technically speaking, sure, the price could bounce up there, but you're still at a high risk of a dead cat bounce where the price just rolls back over. But like I said, if the price can get above 9,200, that starts to bring a little bit more credibility to any sort of upwards, bullish movements. Now, as far as next potential areas of support are concerned, I realize the chart's getting harder to see here, but it's been a while since the price has been down this low. So if you are answering that first question that the price is down below 9,200 still, next question would be, okay, well, where's the price at relative to this area down here at 8,500? I'd be very surprised if you're answering the question that the price is down below 8,500. If you are, then that would just imply that this current bearishness has picked up that much more momentum. But if you're answering the question that the price is above 8,500, but still below 9,200, at that point, one word could be used to summarize that movement, and that would just be consolidation at that moment in time. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, as of right now, no doubt about it, bears are in full control. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.